Hey y'all, this video is just a really quick run through of our slides for this week because we're still focusing on mock interviews. Last week was prep. This week before 926 and then through 926 is also prep. So because we're working on that to get ready for the career fair, there are not many slides to go through. Let's get going if I can get it to move. Okay, this week we have mock interviews. So some of you have already signed up, and I think it was my mistake because I said start signing up for this week as of Monday, but you have until through October 2nd, so the following Wednesday, to get your mock interview done with me. It's going to be in person unless you are truly a distance ed student, but you need to go ahead and get that scheduled, okay? Go back through all the materials. There's be some good resources there for you that will help you prepare for the mock interview. I don't want you to be overly nervous. I want you to know that this is mainly for practice. I'll score you, but the intention isn't to freak you out so much that you can't function well on the assignment. It's to give you good practice and areas for improvement. So go ahead and get that scheduled with me. You have until October 2nd. That's the very last day we'll do those. If I haven't interviewed with you after that, you have a 0 for the assignment. What's coming up is the Ag and Sciences Career Expo. This is the CALS Career Fair. It's October 3rd. That's a Thursday. It's from 10 to 3 in Tally. And you can download an app that will tell you exactly who's coming so you can map out your schedule. And honestly, for ag business students, you couldn't be in a better position. Almost every company there would have an interest in hiring someone from ag business because of the skills that you bring to the table. So especially as juniors and seniors, I encourage you to go so you can get either an internship or an interview lined up. You will want to take your resume, which you will edit based on the feedback I give you later today that I email to you. So be sure you take your resume. Be sure you dress really nicely. We're talking business professionals, so suits and ties for guys, girls. If you don't have a business suit, some kind of jacket or a cardigan, really step it up for this, okay? Employers notice that. And we are having an event to help you prep for that, which is in the reminders. But first, I'll start at the top of the reminders. Cover letters are due in Moodle by 9/29, so go back and re-review that assignment and make sure your cover letter is in good shape. Executive in Residence on October 3rd is Personify. They are a staffing agency related to HR, so if that's an interest of yours, I would definitely pop by. They do have ag business graduates there, but it's competitive. It's very competitive to work at Personify. They're number one for staffing, for a staffing office to work in the Triangle. They have a really great time, a really great environment, and it's October 3rd. And I did not put the time, but let me just pull that up for you. It's a Thursday, so it's going to be from 9 a.m. to noon. It's the same day as the career fair, so you could kind of double dip and hit both because Personify will not be at the career fair, which I announced next, number 3. Don't forget to go to that. So you could come by Personify at 9, hit the career fair at 10. Tuesday, October 15th is another speaker in our ARE speaker series. It's Jessica Laseski. She's the president of eHemp, which is a subsidiary of International Hemp Solutions. They focus on marketing and e-commerce for hemp-based textiles, so bags and clothing. And that's from 4 to 5 p.m. You'll get more information and emails about that. And then there are not going to be any class topics or slides until 10:17. And that doesn't mean you don't have to work. There, I think, is a discussion board that's due later before you get to Thursday of this week. But then we have the career fair is the following week, which hopefully I'll see some of you there. I'll be popping by. So I want you to go to the career fair for the week of the 3rd. The following week is fall breaks. We won't have material. So we will not be regrouping again until October 17th. So you will not see a video from me that's relevant to coursework until closer to the 17th. If you have any questions about any assignments or due dates, let me know. I did post a video under this week about your professional portfolios. If any of you want to get started working on those, I wanted you to have that information. And then besides discussion boards after this week, the key information to keep in mind is you are going to have to do some informational interviews, which we'll touch on. Those are due the second week of November. Just keep that in mind. Check out your syllabus if you want to work ahead and send me questions if you have any.